What is going on, friends and fans? Hope you're having a great week out there in sales land. Ryan Dohrn here, your friendly neighborhood sales coach, and this is your sales training tip of the week. Never be afraid to ask the big ask. I was just on the podcast talking with my friend Charity Huff, and she calls it the big ask. But what does the ask mean to you? It could always be asking for more money from a customer. It could be asking for a follow-up meeting. It could be asking for the sale. There's all kinds of different asks in life and in love, but in sales, it's all about confidence. Never be afraid to ask the big ask, whatever that is. When you think about confidence, you've got to think about what people want from you. Do they want somebody that's sheepish, selling them something like, oh, please, would you buy this for me? Never think for a second that your client can't afford it, or they're always looking for a deal, or they're always looking to cut the price, because it's just not the case. In sales, people are drawn to confidence, so never be afraid to ask the big ask. We talk about that and so much more in my new book, Selling Forward. Don't forget, we're donating all these proceeds to the Golden Harvest Food Bank. So get over there to Amazon and check out that book, Selling Forward. And never forget, friends, if sales was easy, everybody be doing it. And they're not. We're not crazy. This is a career that'll feed your family for a lifetime. Love to speak at your sales conference, come to your office, and give you some motivation. You can find out more about me and what I do over at ryandohrn.com. All right, friends, we'll see you next week.